Assalamu alaikum. Today I am presenting our project for CSE 2211 lab on supply chain management, a database driven web application designed to manage and optimize product flow from supplier to customers. So let's start. In many organizations, supply chain operations are fragmented and handled manually, which is leading to inefficiency. Our motivation was to build a single integrated system that automates and centralizes all these operations. Our main objective was to design a normalized relational database and develop a web interface that ensures smooth management of the entire supply chain process. Our system offers key features such as real-time update, secure data handling, and scalability for future integration with ERP or analytics systems. The system covers every phase from delivery to including suppliers, warehouse, customer, employees, payment, and returns. This is our database design. We ensure referential integrity using foreign keys, and all entities are in normal form to avoid redundancy and maintain consistency. Here, the system architecture, the front end, which is Next.js plus Tailwind CSS, interact with the backend, which is Node.js. Um, both communicates with our supply chain database, which is Superbase database, basically to perform crude operation and manage transaction. So now let's see the web application demonstration now. So first we need to run it. Let's run it. Now we need to follow the link. Here it arrives. Uh, so this is basically landing page of our web application. And here's three main part is one for customer, one for manager, one for employees. And in the below, here our developer information. So let's start with the employees. Let's see what the feature inside it. First, the portal will arrive in front of you is that login portal. So if you don't have any account, nothing to worry about. Just click on create account and give some information like your name, number, job title, salary, and join it by clicking the calendar, uh, email address, password, and then click the create account. It will create an account. I'm not going to do this because I have already an account. I'm just going to sign it, and uh, I'm giving my email. And my password, and then click sign in. So after successfully signing, it will take you to the main employee page. Uh, this is the employee landing page. Here are some graphs, few graphs also. So by move on your cursor on the graph, you can say that how much order is pending and how much order is shifted, how much order is delivered, product by warehouse. It's basically indicate that the how much product in per warehouse. If you want to see your account related information, you can click here and see it. So now let's see the what is the main feature employee can perform. Here's the three feature: inventory, order, product. Basically, employee can manage in inventory, order, and product. So let's now go to the inventory. After clicking it, employee will be able to see all about all things on the inventory, that yeah, a product, which product in which inventory, and how much. If want to add an inventory or add any product, update, delete, he can also do it. Let's now add an inventory. It's like product number is 4, and warehouse ID just now 8, quantity let's say 30, and day obviously today's date. So click on save. It will show a message that inventory added successfully. If you go to the below, then you see that the inventory is updated successfully. Okay. If you want to the update inventory, like you want to reduce the amount, let's say it's 25. If you can also reduce it by clicking here and update by clicking here. Okay. So after saving it, it will show a message that inventory updated successfully. So if you go to the below, you'll be able to see that previously it was 30 and now it is 25. So if you want to delete it, you can also delete it. So if you want to, let's say, delete an inventory, delete this inventory, click OK and successfully deleted. See, here is no. So this is all about the inventory. Let's go to the next one. Next one is order. An employee will be able to see all things about order ID, order date, liquid date, shifted date, status, payment method, and customer ID, basically who gave the order. If employee want to update this order, he also can update, right? Update means employee want to the status, basically update the status in order is pending and order to shift it. He can also perform by clicking it on here. The next one is product. So employee will be able to claim clicking on product. See all product is here. Employee will be able to also able to add a new product, update product, delete product. Let's say let's go add a product. Right, the product ID will be 34 P034. Yeah, product name. Let's say hair. Let's say hair. Sorry, hair mask. Hair mask. Hair mask. Description is it will reduce uh, your hair fall, right? Category obviously hair care, and unit price, let's say 500 taka, and save it. It will see you'll be able to see a message product added successfully. We'll go to the below the product ID 34 hair mask. It will reduce your hair fall, hair care. If you want to update the product, let's say you want to reduce the price, let's say it's 400 now, then go to the same and yes, here it is. It was previously 500 and now it is 400. If you want to delete the product, you'll obviously want to, you can delete it. Okay, so it's all about the employee can perform all these operation. So let's now get into the manager. So obviously you need to log in. If you don't have any account, then you need to register by giving your name, number, phone number, job title, salary, and joining date, email, password, and click on register, and it will create an account. I have already an account, so I'm not going to do this. Yeah, so doing it, and I'm just signing in my account. Basically, I have opened 3 accounts by using one email. So uh, again to I'm again giving the same email address. So password and then login. After successfully logging, we're here now the manager dashboard. If a manager want to see his account information, he'll be able to see it by clicking on here, and if, it will show that total employees, how much employees is here, total orders, active warehouse, and here is some also some pie chart and graph chart. There is the employee by jobs. It means that in what sector, how much employee, and orders by return by clicking that total, how much total order, and how much order is returned. Let's now see the operation manager can perform. So manager can perform 3 operation. One is the employees, warehouse, suppliers. It specifically means that manager add suppliers, delete suppliers, or take all supplier related information, take all warehouse related information, and employees related information, obviously. So after clicking employees, Manager will be able to add employees, delete employees, update employees. Let's say Don Chappa has the 25,000 salary, and we want to basically manager want to update it. I mean manager, suppose Don Chappa got some increment, and manager give it to him and updated successfully. Let's see it was previously 25,000 and now 28,000, right? If employee manager add employee, and he need to or he or she need to give some information about the employee and then click save, then it will be added. I'm not going to show it because my video is already lengthy. So let's back to the other information. Warehouse related information basically will show all warehouse related information, warehouse ID, warehouse name, and of warehouse stock, how much product in warehouse stock. Uh, it means if for who is the manager of the warehouse. So if a manager of warehouse want to add a new warehouse, he can also add a warehouse by giving the information, right? uh, we can also update warehouse information, delete warehouse information, delete warehouse permanently, and many things we can want to do. Here is the supplier. It will show the same about the our house basically. So our house name, supplier is basically who supply the product to the warehouse related or house based company. So warehouse based company, and it's basically so supplier name, phone, email address, and same action can be performed if a manager want to delete a supplier. He or she want to off contact with any supplier, he can delete it. I can update information like our house previous address was Bonanim, but now it is in Malibak. So he must to update it by clicking on update, and delete it by clicking on delete. If you go to OK, and it will be deleted, and add new supplier also by giving the information about a new supplier. Okay, so it's all about the information a manager can perform. I mean, operation a manager can perform. Let's go to the last one, the customer part. It is basically the main attractive part. Basically the general people will use it. So, and um, manager and employee part will be handled by the corporate, but customer part is handled by the normal general people. So if they don't have any account, he or she must create an account, like his name, phone number, address, payment term basically. In hot way, he or she wants to payment, right? Card, cash, or something, his or her email address, password, and after that create account, it will create an account. I haven't already an account, so I'm not going to do this. So after clicking sign in, I'm just uh, giving my email address and my password. Click sign in. It will take you to the customer portal basically. So after going to customer portal, customer will be able to see the total product, total varieties available, supplier connected, some feature products, image also, uh, account related information, and uh, explore product, can explore all product, right? Let's see the operation he or she can perform, a customer can perform. Customer can view order, uh, view product basically, then place order, view order, and let's say customer want to view product, then after clicking the view product, customer will be able to view all the product in this company, or in this supply chain has. uh, if a customer want to place a order, then he or she need to click the place one order, need to give the product id from where the customer will give the product, take the product id in the view product. Now if we see the previous one, um in view product, every product ID is given here, right? Every product ID is given here. So when a customer goes to the place order, he just need to give here the product ID, the quantity, and the unit price. Let's say unit price is 89000. It will here show the total amount in taka. So and the payment method basically cash, card, or online payment, and place order or cancel. I'm not going to place order. If the customer want to give order, then he will be able to view the order. So I have previously created an order. I didn't fix the date correctly, and so this is this is an insane state basically. So let's back. So it's all about the customer operation, operation a customer can perform. So basically, it's all about our supply chain web page basically. So in conclude, our supply chain system ensure to end-to-end visibility and control over the supply chain. In the future, we plan to extend it with analytics and forecasting capabilities. If someone interested to get in touch with us, here is my teammate email, Tabassum Kobir, and here is mine, Nisrat. And so, thank you.